Welcome everyone to our session on self-mastery, where you're going to learn the simple steps, practices, habits, and tools that are going to help you navigate your life so you can be more successful and fulfilled. These tools and practices will help you either reinforce and accelerate and get more of the even amazing results that you're getting in your life, or if you're on a track that's less than desirable or not the results that you want, these tools will also help you interrupt or disrupt those results to put you on a path that is more desirable so that you can have a life that is successful and fulfilling. These tools will help you shift or improve any aspect of your life. It'll help you get unstuck at times when we're stuck in our life, or get past a roadblock, or capitalize an opportunity. Or if you're looking to help somebody else, you'll be able to use these tools and conversations and interactions with them to help them get better results in their life so they too can be more successful and fulfilled. What these tools will allow you to do is to change the pattern when you need to change it, when you're not getting the results that you want, or then also accelerate your results if your momentum's already going in the direction that you desire. What these tools will also really empower you to do is to make progress in your life, not just change. Change is automatic. Progress is not. We can be busy doing a lot of activity, but it doesn't mean that we're getting anywhere. Because so often also people ask, can people change? What the question needs to be instead is, can people make progress? And the answer to that is resoundingly yes, because we all have the ability to learn and to integrate those learnings. Now, whether we choose to or not is a different question, and we'll also talk about that during one of these tools today as well. So what these tools will do is help us shift and make progress. Because the reality is things are changing all the time. We're happy one moment, we're sad the next. The US government keeps changing the tax code. Doesn't mean it's getting any better for anyone, or any shorter for that matter. But things are changing all the time. The real question is if we're making progress towards our desired results and outcomes that we want in our life. The other powerful part about these tools is, like, when you encounter challenges in life or periods of stress, we talked about that some with emotional intelligence. And these tools, especially during those times, can be critically important to just getting us back to normal. But then it's not just about getting back to normal. It's about learning from what we were through. So that actually when we get back to a new normal, so to speak, it's a new normal because it's a new standard in our life. We've learned something, we've integrated those learnings, and now when that thing comes up again, we can handle it easily because we reflected on what happened. We learned from it. We integrated those learnings, and we became something more. We learned how to do something better. We learned how to become more of what we're truly made to do, which is to give and to be all that we can be. So what we really want to encourage, and what you should encourage other people too, by the way, is to make progress. And when you see that progress, make sure to encourage them and acknowledge that progress. And today, as we go through this session, we're going to use some powerful metaphors and symbols to help us facilitate this conversation today. But so also upon the completion of this session today, you have some good reminders, some easy anchors, some easy triggers by thinking about these metaphors and these symbols, so that when things come up in your life, whether it's capitalizing an opportunity, stepping up, or breaking through a challenge, you'll have the tools right at your fingertips. You see these symbols all the time in your life, on our technology we use every day, whether it's an Android or an iPhone or a tablet or on your computer or a DVD player or your television. They're simple. Stop, eject, rewind, fast forward, play, pause, and record. And today, as we go through this session, those symbols, those words, will have new meanings for you. And that's where transformation always begins. Because the words we use paint our experience in life. And symbols are very powerful to being able to train our brains to focus on what it needs to focus on to get the results that we're after. Because our brain, left to its own devices, will do one thing more than anything else. The brain is trained to teach us how to avoid pain and to gain pleasure. And we will do more to avoid pain than to gain pleasure. And if we're constantly going to let the environment trigger us and distract us, we'll have all sorts of different things that pull our attention. So we have to train our brain, train our psychology, train our conditioning of ourselves and our body and our nervous system to respond in a way that'll be resourceful, that will be empowering, that will get us closer to where we want to be and get the results for ourselves and others and for the greater good, so we can make everything better.